fellow travelers and riders. It's time for another roller coaster ride, and we got the train coming right through here, but we are at Indiana Beach. It's 2024, right next to Rockies Rapids log flume. There's the log flume right there, is the Hoosier Hurricane. So we're gonna bring you a point of view on board for the ride on the Hoosier Hurricane. You got to go up about, I don't know, maybe 40 steps. Maybe not that too bad. Over this nice little wood deck up here. And then the coaster's going to be right up there at the top of the hill. And then it takes you all around. And we will bring you on board for that. And we'll see you when we get on the coaster. I keep looking for the flume to hit me, but...
I know.
All right, we'll see you when we get on the ride. Man, I'm getting down into the basement. Oh boy, it's a snug seat. You got your seatbelt? Tightened up. I usually want to see this thing, the orangey. Okay, not yet. Oh, coming down like a bullet train. We're in it. All right, push-pull. I'm hearing push-pull in the back. I think it's for this bar if it doesn't come down, but ours really... I think it's because we're angled forward. We're almost like already heading downhill in this very front car.
Are you good? Good?
Oh yeah.
You good?
We're good. Good to go, everybody. Good to go. So this is the 30th year this coaster has been running. Started in 1994 here in Monticello, Indiana. Hoosier Hurricane. I've not seen a hurricane in Indiana though, I have to admit. We get tornadoes. So, but it doesn't rhyme as good. I get that. You know, Hoosier Hurricane, Hoosier Tornado. It just doesn't quite ring. So, I get that for sure. So they're only running one train today, and they're not super fast on the load times, but not terribly slow. It's kind of in the middle. Yes. Okay. Oh, we're going. I thought we were going to get like a thumbs up at the front here. Wow. All right, we're in it. Here we go, everybody. 30th anniversary Hoosier Hurricane. Up and away. Yeah, there's people at the back of the train already screaming. Oh boy. I think it comes around the curve first before we drop. Did you get a good view of the park and the suspension bridge over there? Yeah. I'm gonna go hands up on this one. I'll try not to bash it. Oh, she's a rattler. Oh, out of the seat. Oh. We're on the bed. That's pretty good.
My eyes are watering.
I gotta say, all in all, Nice ride. Oh, did the wind get you there? It takes you up pretty high, and then it's right over the lake at that low spot. So the wind really kind of changes throughout the ride. Boy, this front car really picks up off the track. It's got the airtime on it. At least 3 good airtime hills, I would say. Nice ride, everybody. Watch your elbows. Up and out. Up and out, everybody. All right. We'll see you at the bottom of the stairs and let you know what we think. Okay. All right, Hoosier Hurricane 30-year anniversary. What'd you think?
I had some great airtime sitting in the front, but yeah, overall, I had a great ride on that.
Great ride. It's a little bit shake, rattle, and rolly. It's holding up pretty good. You got to go up a lot of stairs to get on that ride, so be prepared for that. It's got 2 or 3 really good airtime hills on that ride, though, so we had a great ride on it. Got right in the front. I'd say maybe 10-minute wait. They're only running 1 train today. But, you know, this is the opening day at the park, so 2024. It's off to a great start. We almost hit every roller coaster at the park today. We just got 2 left, and we even went and got lunch and came back today. So it's really a nice park. Check it out. If you haven't, the season passes were like $65 for the year, and they've got a Halloween celebration. Terror on the Lake Shafer or something like that, right?
Shafer Drive, I think.
Yeah, Terror on Shafer Drive in the fall. So maybe we'll come back for a haunted house or something like that too. Thanks for joining us for this one. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Consider subscribing. We'll have a lot of videos out, lots of trips planned this year, and we'll see all our fellow travelers, loyal subscribers soon on the next video. Bye, everybody.